front of me is DOOGEE S98, and today I would like to show you how you can change the default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and download your new default app. In my case, it will be Opera Mini. When it's ready, you don't have to open it, just select Home button and access Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Apps. Then scroll down again, choose Default Apps and tap on one of those sections. I wish to change my browser, so I have to tap on Browser app, choose Opera Mini to set it up and simply go back. As you can see, after that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!